Hi, I'm Angela with the EPB Energy Pros. Did you know you can save as much as $8 a month just by changing your light bulbs? It's true when you switch to energy-saving LED bulbs. They glow just as warm as standard light bulbs and can last 10 years or longer. In fact, you would have to replace an incandescent bulb 50 times before this one LED bulb burned out. And while they may cost a little more, they can help you save up to 20% on your energy cost, so they pay for themselves in no time. Just look for both the LED and Energy Star labels wherever you buy light bulbs. And remember, always turn off unnecessary lights to save even more energy. EPB Energy Pros are here to answer all of your questions about lighting and more. So give us a call to schedule your free EPB Energy Pros consultation today.